These are my example layers, one polygon and one point layer. I would like to display them in a print layout with two maps and different theme styles, but with the exact same extent, rotation and scale. Change to your print layout. I prepared two maps, now I change the theme styles for every map. Map 2 should follow map 1. Select map 2 and go to your extents options. Click on the button on the right hand side and on edit. I need all available variables from map 1. So a good start is item_variables with map 1 as an argument. To see all available variables, you can do a right click on the preview and copy and paste them into your editor. Map extent is available and it is a polygon. To get a specific variable, we need a map get function with the additional argument, in this case map extent. We get a polygon back, so we have to define which exact variable we want. In this case, it's x_min. Copy the expression and paste it into the three other extents. Of course, change the expression to fit the value. If you change the rotation of map 1, nothing will happen to map 2. Let's look into the available variables and see if we can find a rotation. Okay, there we go. Map rotation and map scale. Change to map 2 and click on the button and on edit. I pass the expression from the extent into the text field. Delete the x_min and change map extent to map rotation. Because it's only one number, we don't need additional arguments. Do these steps again to set the map scale for map 2.